everybody. I am back and I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my honey glazed chicken wings. They're the whole wings and they are going on the smoker. So guess what, you guys? Here we go. I have all of these ingredients that I'm putting in this blender. I have scallions, onions, Scotch bonnets, garlic, jerk seasoning, brown sugar, a little bit of lemon juice, ginger, allspice, berries. I also have black pepper, thyme, and I have dry and fresh that I'm putting into this one. I have 1 carrot. I also have some browning, some soy, some salt, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of vegetable oil, but that's optional. You don't have to put that in there. And I'm going to, once I put all of these things together, I'm going to blend. And there you go. It's going to come together it's going to be like a thick paste. But in order for me to get it to the nice brown that you see in the store, I add in the browning. So I just wanted to stop it, show you the color, and that's what's in browning in it. With the dark soy, it's going to make it a little dark, but I want it a little bit darker, and there it is with the browning. So this is come together. I set it aside. So now I put all my chicken wings in a bag after I washed them. And now I'm adding in some jerk seasoning, and I'm going to season those very good. And then I'm going to pour in some of that jerk marinade that we made earlier. And then I'm going to, swish this around in the bag, make sure all my wings are covered. And then I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator overnight. You can let it marinate for at least 1 hour, but overnight is so much better. It really gets into the chicken and it tastes delicious. So I'm putting all of my wings on the smoker at 250 degrees, and I'm going to cook these until they're done. Now here's my marinade. My marinade consists of the jerk marinade. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of that in there, some honey, a third of a cup, I believe. And then I'm added in 2 tablespoons of butter. I put that on the stove, melted it, and now I am actually putting it all over the wings, and I'm going to let this cook on the wings, and then I'll have some on the side as well. But you guys, these wings are already done. I'm just giving them a little bit more flavor. Here you go, you guys. Here are those jerk wings that I was talking about, and oh my God, are they so delicious. You guys have to make these wings. I'm telling you, it's a hit. Thank you for watching, and leave comments. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.